Welcome back to Overheat 2026 Newmar Dutch Star, performance and luxury on your vehicle. Exterior: rather than using decals, the 2026 Dutch Star will have a sleek, contemporary exterior with vivid, clear-coated full-color graphics. The entire motorhome is supported by a sturdy, stable foundation thanks to Newmar's renowned Star foundation construction. Large, lower storage spaces that are primarily heated have gas-loaded hinges and power lock doors for convenient access. A wine sensor-equipped primary awning that is powered. LED outdoor lighting will increase energy efficiency and visibility. For safety and agility, a 360-degree video system or side and rear cameras will be standard. Interior: the living room will have a giant LED TV, a fully equipped entertainment system, and a cozy sofa and swivel chairs. The kitchen will have a microwave convection oven, a full-size refrigerator, a double stainless steel sink, a gas or induction cooktop, and lots of storage space. There will be a king-size or queen-size bed in the master bedroom. A potent Cummins diesel engine powers the Dutch Star. The Cummins L9 engine, which will probably power the 2026 model, will provide 450 to 470 horsepower and a remarkable amount of torque. The Cummins engine will be mated to a 6-speed Allison 3000 mH automatic transmission, which guarantees dependable and seamless shifts. All seasons will be pleasant with a dual-zone HVAC system that includes a heat pump and thermostat-controlled roof air conditioning. When not plugged in, 120 volts equipment can be used with a large household battery and a strong inverter. Standard features will include an advanced entertainment system with multiple LED TVs, a sound bar, an outdoor sound system, and potentially a satellite or over-the-air antenna. There will be a Wi-Fi router or setup for cellular connectivity. To improve driving safety, the Dutch Star will also have adaptive cruise control, tire pressure monitoring system, and a collision warning system in addition to air braking and ABS.